Hello guys and welcome to Martin's Hacks, and today we are going to review the TIPO. As you see, TIPO, the tipping point of e-commerce on blockchain, and this blockchain technology offers us a new exciting idea, which is e-commerce. And you might think about Amazon, you might think about eBay. These are very huge platforms, but TIPO will be built on blockchain technology and it will offer much more features than, for example, Amazon or eBay. I will not be myself diving into points or describing everything what this blockchain or technology offers you, because everything will be listed in this video. What is TIPO, which I will play you in a second, guys. And actually that video was here. What is TIPO, which I will play you at the end of my video, but I will go through this project and let you know why I decided to review it and why I find so interesting and where I see a huge perspective. Because guys, as you know, my videos are not a financial advice. On my channel I'm reviewing projects which are built on blockchain technology, as I am a huge cryptocurrency enthusiast myself, and which I find useful and where I see a huge perspective in future, guys. And TIPO is another project or another one of these. And if you are interested in participating in ICOs and private sales and pre-sales, as you see, private sale will start in 2 hours. Even private sale for this project haven't started yet. Let's get into the TIPO and let's review this project. Business to peer, peer to peer and e-commerce ecosystem committed to bringing optimal solutions for everyone involved. And here TIPO is bringing all solutions. It will not include only those solutions like an Amazon or, for example, like an eBay, but it will have merchant solutions, it will have like referral solutions, and many more things will be included, as you will see in the video. What this blockchain is about is a blockchain technology, new smart tool for business process optimization, full cycle supply chain service, minimizing life cycle costs, and smart social network advertising tool and affiliate sales. This will be also smart social advertising tools will include, and as you can see, guys, this is already a little bit different from centralized systems which I mentioned at the beginning, and contracts in the future, and supply chain and transaction transparency, multi-role business model, TIPO wallet internal payment method, and cutting out the middleman. One huge thing about TIPO is that it will be built on blockchain technology, that it will not have a transaction fees which we are paying currently by using centralized systems. For example, for each transaction which we are making, if we are buying something or if we are selling something, we have to pay different transaction fees which are to do with banking system, with credit cards and with banks. And if we are using debit cards or credit cards, we pay transaction fees, where with TIPO you will not have to pay any transaction fees. Even if you are going to sell, or for sellers on this platform, there will not be fees. As you know, on eBay people have to pay, I believe, 10 or 15%. I'm not sure really, because I haven't been selling anything myself on eBay. People have to pay huge fees to the platform for selling their products, where with TIPO that will be also 0%. Talking about project, bring value to everyone, individual within the ecosystem, optimize logistics process, benefiting every stakeholder in every aspect, and extra value to every individual in the ecosystem by eliminating the brokers, provide the millennials with the chance to take advantage of modernizations and create their own values, mobilize every idea, resource, thus creating value for society as a whole. Everyone with the ecosystem can play multiple roles, thus generating more income, and standardize every procedure to improve and deliver quality, change the perceived quality of the industry, build the no cash culture, and encourage industry 4.0 business mindset. Like I said, guys, these guys are also targeting no cash industry, and this is why I like this project very much, because I want to get rid of fiat, I want to get rid of banking systems, of financial systems, and this is my own beliefs, guys, as obviously it is everyone who is in cryptocurrencies, or I believe that majority of people who are cryptocurrency enthusiasts, we all want to get rid of standard financial systems, because pretty much they are stealing money from people, they are taking money for transactions, where people shouldn't be really paying money for transactions whenever they are using their own money. And now now, even if you are, for example, if you are employee in company, you have to get your wages to the banking card or debit card or your bank account, and you can't get cash. This means that whenever you are withdrawing, even, you are losing more money. This means that you are actually not earning. If, for example, you are earning 1,000, you will pay let's say 5% from that 1,000 to bank systems just by transactions which you will be making, so as you will be paying for that account every year, and so on and so forth. Where with cryptocurrencies we don't have to do that, and that is a huge plus with crypto. And these guys as well are crypto enthusiasts, as you can see here. Here is the video. I will play you that video at the end, and here are 4 key pillars for this project, or key main features of this project. Guaranteed payment in multi-currencies, so you will be able to pay in multi-cryptocurrencies. Every transaction is under TIPO's assurance. Accept both fiat currency and cryptocurrencies. Solve problems of cross-bank money transfers, save transaction time, and cut down extra fees, because you will be able at the very beginning stage use fiat currencies as well on this platform or e-commerce platform for doing trades, selling, buying, and multi-role business model. One user can play multiple roles, start business with small capital, create income for anyone involved. Dropshipping, business to peer, peer-to-peer model, decentralized retail platform, minimize product lifecycle, and network effect. TIPO strives everybody to expand our agent network, optimize time and cost with our distribution network, encourage interactions among members in the ecosystem. They have a huge idea behind it, and so as you saw at the very beginning, there is also a white paper. I went through white paper, so as there is a one paper, guys, so as pitch. Come in and check them out for yourself, as I will not be diving into them in this video. However, I checked them myself, like I mentioned, and all links, as always, to this project or to any other projects which I'm reviewing on my channel are in description of my video. So as in first comments, jump in and check them out for yourself if you are interested into reviewing this project in more detail. Problems and solutions which they are solving, I will not be getting into all solutions. I will just read you a problems: inefficient and distributing yet costly advertising. And this is first problem which they are solving, because advertising is really costly now, and now people, for example, if they would want to advertise, they would have to pay huge amounts of money, and in most cases they are paying for not targeted audiences. This advertising money and lack of marketing intelligence, counterfeit and trust issue, and counterfeit we have been previewing in other projects. This is a very huge issue, because many products don't come directly from manufacturers, for real brands who are manufacturing those products, but they are counterfeited products, and lack of payment optimization, delayed delivery time, idle manpower, and lack of linkage between merchants and buyers. This is another problem which this TIPO blockchain technology or e-commerce platform will be solving. And here are benefits of our user: no capital appropriation, advertising effectively, expansion of the sales network, and get real-time market information and sales and value. And this is about token itself, about token specifications, what this token is about. And this TIPO token is ERC20, so using smart contracts built on Ethereum blockchain technology. A number of tokens for sale here in this ICO or pre-ICOs, it will be 150 million, which is 50% of total supply. So total supply of this token is very small, it is only 300 million. For 1 Ethereum you can buy 10,000 of these TPO tokens, and minimal transaction amount is 1 Ethereum. And ICO will start on 10th of October, as you can see, 2018, and you can already join their whitelists and so on and so forth, guys. However, me myself, I'm more interested in project initial coin distribution. This is how coins will be distributed, sale proceed allocation. Come in and check them out for yourself, so as their timeline or roadmap. Come in and check this out as well for yourself. But main thing what I wanted to mention is that project initiation was already started back in 2016, so this is not a new project. These guys already started working on this already 2 years ago. Here will be their TIPO mobile applications, which will be available for Android and Apple users here, and this is coming soon with friendly mobile interface. TIPO bring absolute convenience to our users team, and most of them have LinkedIn and Facebook profiles. Come in and check them out for yourself, guys. I will not be diving into them. So as there is the advisor team, and sales and media, and they are also present on most popular social media websites like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so as they are listed on most of upcoming ICO websites like Track ICO, ICO Bench, ICO Link, and ICO Holder, so as they have partners and customers which you can preview here. And in general, me myself, I found this project very interesting and with very huge use case, because it is going to solve more problems and it will allow more than current systems or current centralized systems like I mentioned, which is eBay and Amazon. The main thing is that there will be no transaction fees, where transaction fees here on TIPO will be 0%. You will not have to pay for transactions of your bank, for example, if you are buying something or selling something on this blockchain technology, so as they will have these referral links and merchant things and so on and so forth, which you will see now in the video, guys.
Welcome to TIPO, the first and only e-commerce platform that provides a closed supply chain cycle containing 5 most important roles in the market: merchant, affiliate sale, advertiser, shipper, and buyer. Traditional e-commerce platforms have yet to harness the potential and solve problems faced by these roles, which are merchant, extra fees such as booth renting, marketing, and trading costs; affiliate sales, starting capital and warehouse limits; shippers, fake orders; buyers, product origin and price comparison. One notable problem faced by every market roles, including advertisers, is the lack of market information. TIPO provides an ecosystem bringing technological solutions to problems faced by e-commerce users. Blockchain technology. TIPO token is created in order to terminate bank transaction fee when users use TIPO wallet. Therefore, payments takes effect immediately without any disturbance or extra fee on any time and anywhere. Users can make payments using TIPO token or traditional money. If transaction fails, money would be refunded immediately. With blockchain, TIPO would make QR code available for origin check. By this, buyers could then easily track product's origin. Data mining. TIPO is also the only e-commerce platform providing market consultancy services for users. Without data mining technology, TIPO's shared data storage is created to give market trend recommendations and suggestions. Real-time market data and potential customer lists would help merchants make more effective and efficient business plans. Advertisers determine potential targets of marketing strategies, choose publishers, KOLs, based on appropriate influencer lists provided by TIPO. Sales affiliates and collaborators also take advantage of data storage to track trends and product seasons to contact merchants for further purchase. On the other hand, TIPO is also the only e-commerce platform which does not charge any extra transaction fee. Merchants, affiliate sales, advertisers, shipper do not have to pay any commission fee for TIPO like other platforms. One of the top features of TIPO is our 3-buy service. Buying in the future would become a means for buyers to acquire products with the best price despite any price fluctuation. When interested in a product and accept payment without immediate delivery, buyer has the chance to buy the product with the lowest price from the purchasing point until the receipt of the product. By this, the merchant can have an overview of customers' demand to make appropriate selling plans and prices. Shippers can set up the best delivery schedules. Bargaining is a win-win, where the buyers offer the price they are willing to pay. The transaction only takes effect when product price matches offered price. Immediate delivery purchase. Right after an order is made, a delivery order is set and notified to shipper via TIPO mobile app. Products will be delivered within only 24 hours. The forms of the 3-buy service would be able to deliver smart transactions to satisfy any needs and any demands of both buyers and producer economically, whilst contributing to market stability. Last but not least, the most amazing feature of TIPO is that any user can play different roles in the ecosystem with our multi-role stakeholder business model. Merchants can reduce fee for human resources thanks to advertiser, affiliate sales, collaborator, and shipper in the TIPO ecosystem. Other users can be advertiser, affiliate sales, collaborator, or shipper. They can also send cooperative invitation to any merchant. With TIPO, any boundary to members like operating cost and time are minimized. Furthermore, we strive to build trust by accountability and transparency. TIPO, the tipping point of blockchain-backed e-commerce.